What's up, guys? It's Corsha Lishell, and welcome back to the cookie jar.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up.
Okay, so if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can join the cookie jar and become a cookie. If you are OG, welcome back to the gang. So as y'all see behind me, I got my little rack, I got my little light set up. So that means we're doing a clothing haul today. But first, let me set y'all up real quick. Hold on. First, let's shop this outfit out. The outfit that I got on is by Me Your Wear. It has like super duper stretch. It's athleisure wear. I ain't gonna show y'all my butt because I ain't got no drawers on, but her link will be linked down in the description box below this video. It's not sponsored by her, but this is the first thing that I wanted y'all to see. This is a SHEIN clothing haul. This outfit that I have on is not from SHEIN. Again, this is by Me Your Wear, which is on the screen and in the description box below. It's from my homegirl Quan, who's located in Charlotte, North Carolina, and she also ships. So make sure y'all shop with her. They're so comfortable. I wear them out when I'm going out. I wear them to work out if I'm working out. Like right now, it is 77 degrees inside of my apartment, and I'm wearing this, and it's keeping me cool. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. This is the box that I got from SHEIN. I don't remember what I ordered from SHEIN, so let's see.
I want that shit, babe. I can't wait till midnight. Baby, come see me.
If you guys like when I do hauls and try on hauls and stuff like that, please make sure you interact with me in the comments below so that I know. Make sure you drop an orange heart if you want me to do more stuff like this. I got my little rack back here, which only has a couple of articles of clothing. This is stuff that I'm not going to try on. This is stuff that I try to normally keep here. But when I finish taking the stuff out the box, I am going to put it over there, okay? So I'm going to try to post pictures of each item beside it. So let me show y'all what I got first, and then we're going to try it on. I got this 3-piece outfit. And it comes with this little skirt, which of course is going to look better on because right now it just looks like a piece of material. And it comes with these little bikini bottoms. This is what the top looks like. It has like these, I don't know if it's supposed to be crisscross or what in the back, but this is what the bra is looking like. And I'm gonna try and get it on. The next thing is, so it's this little romper. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen too. Next thing is this little denim outfit right here, which is supposed to be denim, but looking at it, the material looks very thin. Oh, it's actually denim. It's cute. So I got this. It's supposed to tie around your neck. And I got some sandals or some slides to go with this too. The next thing I got, just some little biker shorts, which I could put these on with like really anything, a little crop top. Shit, I could really put them on with something like this. So I'm not gonna try these on. Y'all know what little biker shorts look like. I don't know if it's like a 2-piece thing. A little skirt. This top is supposed to crisscross, so I think I'm supposed to put it like this, then turn it. I have no idea how I'm supposed to put this on. I'll figure it out before I try it on. And I'm just gonna try to speed the rest of this up because I really don't want this part of the video to be too long. I got these cute little headbands. This next thing, I thought this was really cute, which I might not take this to Miami. I just really wanted this. So it's just this little overall thing. It has some little details on it. It's just a little black cover up that I got to go with any swimsuit that I want to put it under because I got a thong bikini, one that y'all seen me wear before. Cute little simple dress, which I thought it was going to be a different color. Which I got a white dress similar to this. Yeah, I do. I have a white dress that looks exactly like this, but I really like scrunchy stuff on my body type until I lose the weight that I want to lose because it makes my midsection area look a little bit flatter than it is. Another swimsuit. The reason why I got this type of swimsuit is because it's like a boy short type of thing, and I always like how I look in boy shorts and bras, or like boy shorts and nothing. So I was like, let me see if I can get like a boy short bikini. And then I got this little 2-piece outfit here. When you push it on me, put that thing on me, boy. Well, it's 7 days, can you put me to sleep? Yeah. Every time you see me, y'all, I did not realize I got this much stuff. You know those black shorts I got? I'm gonna wear this with those black shorts.
Whoa.
go to the beach, your feet are gonna be hot. So please make sure you take you some beach shoes. So I got me these little shoes for the beach. They're so cute. I'm literally obsessed with them. That's why I got them. They got a weird smell to them. They got a little yellow sole on the inside. I am a 7.5 normally in women, and I got a size 38. I will let y'all know how they fit. And I got these ugly ass green shoes. It's on the screen. That's not what they look like on the site. I got them to go with my little green two-piece, but I don't even think I'm gonna wear them with that because that's tacky as shit. But look, this is what they look like. I actually got some other green sandals that I could wear, but I don't like these. So if anybody wants these, I got them in a size 39. I'm a 7.5. Let me see how they fit. Yeah, I got these in a size 39, and they honestly, like, they fit to a T. They are, I probably could have gone up a size in these. Just some clear jellies. I got these in a Euro 40. And I got these little orange square earrings, little orange chain link earrings. And I got this little nose ring. And they sent me a 15% off for all orders. It says code GCQ15. So feel free to use that code if you need to. 15% off of all orders. G is in Georgia, C is in cat, Q is in quarter, and the number 15. I'm sorry, I forgot. So I did get another pair of shoes, which I actually forgot about. So these are the cute little shoes. I love them because like the bottom is comfy. They got these little thingies here, see? So cute, so comfy. And the screenshot is on the screen, but I got these to kind of just kick around in. So I'm about to clean this stuff up and try on the first outfit. This is an extra large right here, and I just like it. Like, so what I might do is I may even keep it like this and maybe like tuck it on my side or something to kind of just make it look like a regular cover up. And I think I might do it like that. Make my boobies look good. Y'all, this is probably something I'm gonna sleep in. I'm not gonna say there's nothing wrong with it. I probably should have gotten it in a large. This is an extra large because I really wanted it to fit like this, you know, in this area. But this is how it fits in the back. But I really wanted it to fit like this. This is how it fits on the side. And then this is the top part. So, I mean, I love the print, but what I think I might do is like get it taken in or something, because I'm not really feeling this. I'm not taking this to Miami. It's just a no for me. Okay, so this is my favorite piece by far. It's giving exactly what I needed it to give. I'm lift my boobies up or something. Like, it's just doing what it needs to do, giving what it needs to give. This is it from the side. This is it from the back. Like, I love how it comes up right here because my rolls are right here, which y'all probably can still see. This is how I wanted the floral one to fit. Like, it's giving them, throw those on with those clear jelly slides and get me a little colored bag and have my hair done, and we gonna call it a day. So I love this one. Give this one 10 out of 10. Not sure what size I got this one in. Most of my stuff is an extra large or a large. If I got anything bigger, it's because I was reading the reviews and it was cut smaller. But just to give you guys some measurements, I am 5 feet tall, 185 pounds. My breast right now, I am in a D cup. So I'm a D cup, 185, 5 foot tall. So if you're about my measurements, this is how it's gonna fit on you. If you're taller than me, it's gonna be shorter on you. If you're more slimmer than me, then it's probably going to give you a little more breathable material. Like, it's going to give you more space. Okay, so this is that little blue outfit. I like that I can do different things with it. Wear this with those clear sandals that I got too. Okay, so this one I can't move too much, but I do got some support. So bam, bam. I said poof, be gone when your makeup too strong. But I really like this one. I can't wait to get cute with it. 10 out of 10, got this in a large. Then there's this dress. Again, I like the scrunchy material in the front because it makes my belly look like it's smaller. I got this in a 0XL. I probably should have got it in a large. Dress number 2. I also got this in the 0XL. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it comes down really past my knee. So I'm gonna pull it up a little bit and create that little scrunch effect that I was telling y'all about. But this is this one. I got this in the 0XL also. Okay, so this is the little tankini, I guess. I got this in an extra large. Y'all, let me tell you, to get these shorts over my thighs was hell. For one, I already have a huge camel toe. Let's not point out the obvious. I have a camel toe even in jeans. If you've been following for a long time, you know this. I cannot hide it. So these shorts are teeny tiny. I know it's supposed to be a bikini, but I probably should have went up a size, maybe 2 sizes in the shorts. No, I probably should have just went up 1 size. It's an extra large. I don't know. Maybe I can go up more. Maybe you like how it fits because you want it to fit like that. But me, I am very self-conscious about my camel toe. So anything that like over shows my camel toe, I'm kind of like all turned off to it. So this little outfit right here is probably one of my casual day outfits. So like when we go to the museum, it's really, really cute. I think I got this in the extra large. This is what it's looking like. I probably put this with some forces, put my hair in like 2 buns or something like that. And there you have it. I also wanted to try these shorts on with it just so I can see how they would look if I put them with different things. This shirt fits like a bralette. I'm not gonna try it on. I'm just gonna do it like this so y'all can see it. But yeah, this t-shirt I made really, really quick because I know this video is getting super duper long. It's just a regular tee. It fits how I want it to fit. So imagine those black shorts with it and like my 11s or something like that, or some green and black ones, cute little hairstyle. There you go. This is the green outfit. It does have some little pads in it that I'm actually going to take out. The outfit is really, really cute. The bottoms actually fit a little bit looser than the brown outfit did, but right here in the legs, it just cut. So I'm going to pull this down and I'm going to do it like that. I do like that it does not show as much of my camel toe like the other one, but it's like this. This kind of gives me some breathing room. It's just like a rough, a rough try on haul from SHEIN. Any outfits from this video that I do take down to vacation with me, you'll see pictures, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. And if you see a picture from this video, an outfit from this video that you like, just comment below like, girl, I saw this in your last SHEIN haul. But this is the end of my SHEIN haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what other hauls and videos you guys want to see. I love y'all so much, Cookie Jar. I'm tired, I'm hot because it's hot in my apartment. I don't know what's going on, and probably because I ain't filming so long, I'm hot under these lights. But anywho, yes, your girl is trying to slim out, y'all. I know I'm not skinny yet, but I'm definitely smaller than the last time you saw me, and that's on that. But it's your girl, Corsha Lishell. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me and rocking with me, checking in, checking out from the Cookie Jar.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.